Now, you can listen to another conversation and answer the questions. But before we do that, I'm just going to have a look at some problems that you might have, okay? We don't say, I'm not sure, but it can be Sunday. We never say it can be when we're talking about probability, okay? We use may, might, or could, but we don't use can. We use will, or we use must, or won't, or can't if it's negative. So, for example, who is that person outside? Yeah, it might be the postman. It could be the postman. It will be the postman because he always comes at this time. Or it must be the postman or the postwoman, actually, in my case, because she always comes at this time. Okay. It can't be the postman because we already had a delivery today. So the opposite of it must be is it can't be. And we don't say it can be as a possibility. We also don't say she mustn't be at home. So here, don't forget, the opposite of it must be, what do you think that thing is? Oh, it must be a football. It can't be a football. It is only 1 centimeter big. Okay, well, it's a mini football then. Okay, so think about some of these things. There's a lot in the back. And we can also have a look at must and have to. When we're speaking, must is much more about what's on the inside, what you're feeling on the inside, your own rules, okay? I must get my hair cut. It's too long, okay? If you don't get your hair cut, then, the haircut police are not going to come and arrest you, okay? But I have to get my hair cut because I'm joining the Marines. I have to get my hair cut because because my boss has told me it's too long. I don't think they're allowed to do that now. But anyway, you get the idea. Have to is an external regulation, and must is normally an internal feeling when we are speaking. Okay, when it's written, we use must a lot more when it's formal. Okay, right. I'm going to put up the answers to those listening things, so because I want to get this all done in one video, and I am waffling, aren't I? There we go. Talking about a game of football. Yeah. And you better find. Okay. Right. Let me get rid of those answers. And let me move you over to the grammar, discussing grammar. Okay. Again, read through this one. Which of the verbs or phrases below can fill the gap correctly? Cross out the verb or verbs which cannot. So cross out the wrong ones. Okay. I, be able to help you. I won't be able to help you, means I can't in the future. I might be able to help you. Yeah, maybe I can. And I may be able to help you. That's even got maybe in it. So all three of those are possible. I can't be able to is nonsense because can means able to. Okay. And can't obviously means not able to. Right. Have a look at what comes after this. They need the right modal verb. Okay. And I'm going to put up the answers in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And here we go. Yep. Did you manage to keep it secret? Did you have to keep it secret? Those, of course, have got completely different meanings. Did you manage to keep it secret? Were you successful? Did you have to keep it secret? Was it your obligation? Right. You must be exhausted. That's what I think, but I don't know it for sure. We use must be when we're not 100% sure about something, maybe only 99%. Okay. You're bound to be exhausted after such a long journey. You can say that one as well. Okay. We don't need to, and we don't have to. Same thing. I will not, and I refuse to are the same thing. I shouldn't work late. Sounds like somebody else told you shouldn't. Like the doctor, for example. Stop working such long hours. Right. Can you? Actually, you could have could you if it's if it's the doctor. Could you hold your breath for more than a minute for me, please? Are you able to and can you? There is a slight difference in usage, but I don't have time for that now, do I? And let's go through the rest in less than 10 seconds. Okay. Practice it on the website. That will help you. Okay. And look in the back of your book. That's all for this lesson.